Hey everyone, this is Vitalik, and this is a small update on HandsOnMoney. This update is about fixing the issues with HandsOnMoney not being able to parse CSV files from locales different than English US. This is my simulator, and as you see, it's in Italian. Now, if I open HandsOnMoney, it is obviously not translated. However, it's still able to parse the files. Just continue with GnuCash, do a manual import account files. I have the files in Italian right here. And I have transactions in Italian as well. Now, these are just several transactions I have here. Also, there is a second scenario. For example, your computer is in Italian locale and your phone is in English US locale. In this case, HandsOnMoney will provide you a little bit of help. So just continue as usual. These files are from Italian locale. So if I just parse accounts, it's gonna be good. And if I parse transactions, HandsOnMoney will not be able to parse it. However, with a little bit of help, it can do it. So just select whatever the locale you used when exporting your CSV file, and HandsOnMoney will be able to parse it.